Are you looking for the Shark ZS362 Apex DuoClean corded stick vacuum? We've reviewed nicely, so let's start the discussion. Features: suction and maneuverability. The Sharp ZS362 cleaner has an impressive suction. In fact, it can outweigh most other cleaners in its price range. It can pick up all kinds of debris, from large cat litter and crumbs to small particles of dust. Consistency is also worth some appreciation, regardless of the surface you clean. In terms of maneuverability, it is smooth, even when floating from one surface type to another. You do not need to work too hard to reach under furniture, as it has a flat head. Swivel steering reduces tiredness and boosts efficiency in hardly accessible areas. Precision Duster. Precision Duster is a cleaning tool intended for fine detailing. Precision Duster consists of a flexible cleaning hose with 2-in-1 micro duster crevice tool combination and is used for vacuuming delicate and complex surfaces like car interiors, keyboards, hard-to-reach areas and similar. Pet Multi-Tool. Pet Multi-Tool is designed as a 2-in-1 cleaning tool. The brush with the stiff bristles is used for removing stuck-on dirt and debris from various surfaces. When the brush is detached, an upholstery tool is revealed, which is used for cleaning stubborn pet hair, lint, fibers and other similar dirt. Crevice Tool. 5 Crevice Tool is intended for cleaning hard-to-reach areas like corners, gaps, edges, crevices, and similar. The features air inlets on the sides in order to maintain airflow through the vacuum required for proper air filtration, cyclonic system, and air cooling of the suction motor don't cover those air inlets. LED headlights. When it comes to additional features of this model, it is important to mention the powerful LED lights on the front of the cleaning head. In short, these headlights are strong enough to illuminate the area in front of the device. Moreover, the lights are placed low enough to reveal even the tiniest of debris as well as pet hair. Motor and capabilities. The motor brings in 600 watts and 5 amps. Given the bristle brush, it will easily clean high-pile carpets without too much hassle. When it comes to hard floors, even less powerful vacuum cleaners can get the job done. Pros. Used as a handheld vacuum cleaner. Removable dirt cup is easy to empty and clean. Excellent at picking pet hair. Long cord for large areas. Self-cleaning technology for brushes, no more tangling hair. Cons. The top is relatively heavy, so it is not perfectly balanced.